welcome back to Travel with Tayson. And if you know me, you know I love fitness, food, in Africa, family, friends. Please excuse my eating, but we are walking to see some property, see a compound, and we are walking down the village. Can't tell you where we at. The sign probably behind me. Yeah. No, it's not. But yeah, you know, look at the ambiance. Look at this is Africa. Mm-hmm. That's so much meat. Pan around. Mm-hmm. Beautiful flowers. Yeah. That pink makes it pop. Mm-hmm. Yeah, these compounds are huge. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, look. I keep saying, I always said when I was in America, I want a big house, I want a big house. Now I'm living in this big compound. I'm like, man, who gonna clean this big ass house? Who's gonna take care of this big house? But these compounds are absolutely beautiful. But you know, just to let people know, everyone doesn't live in shacks. Like we have been taught this. Get out the streets. We've been taught, or have this preconceived notion of what Africa is, right? Mm-hmm. We've been taught everybody got big bellies, the flies are everywhere. And don't get me wrong, these flies are disrespectful, okay? Especially if you're eating fish, you know, but it's not the way we've been taught, it's not what we've been shown. It's a beautiful place. You know, so many people say, welcome home, welcome home. When I went to Namibia 8 years ago, that was the first thing they said, welcome home, you know, because we are home. This is our home. But we also have to respect, we're foreigners. We are foreigners. Yes, Americans coming to the African continent, we're foreigners. So we need to respect our brothers and sisters in the countries that we visit, right? It's sad that we have to even say that to adults, but that's the reality. We have to respect our brothers and sisters. We are visitors here. Hopefully I won't be a visitor for long, but yeah, we're visitors here, so just be mindful of how you would treat your brothers and sisters. Just be mindful of how you would speak to your brothers and sisters. I know us coming from America, we have a lot of nonsense with us, but I come here to rid myself of all the white supremacy and the trauma and everything that comes with being an American. I don't say that too loud, okay? When they ask me, you know, where do you come from? I'm like, yes. They always say Jamaica. I say, yeah, I'm Jamaican. So then they ask where, and I say, okay, I'm an American. But I see how my brothers and sisters having pride. It's hard to have pride for America. But look at this compound. So this compound looks like it is apartments.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, that's what I'm looking for. Thank God there are people that... Yes, we did see that one. I wonder, did anyone ever get it? I never saw that tower at the top.
Yeah, that's what the, you probably didn't come all the way up.
I didn't come all the way up. I did. I stayed downstairs. Yeah. But this is what I want. You see this on here?
Yeah.
These are apartments. All right?
And they got a little shop.
Mm-hmm. So that's 2, 4, 6. At least 6. They probably have 2, 4, 6 on the other side.
Yeah.
And then they got the little shop.
Yeah. Nice.
I mean, it's only right.
Yeah.
But that's what I'm looking for. Some of those have solar panels.
Mm-hmm.
Because an apartment or complex, you know, what we call it in America, that is, it would be easier. Like I'm down with the community living. However, it would be easier to have Nakala. I love how they all wink their eyes. I can't wink my eye. This is how I wink my eye. All right, YouTube. That's how we go. But yes, so this is what it's like walking down. Yes, beautiful. The road, because I'm not gonna say it's a street, but this is what it's like walking down a road in the Gambia.
Yes. Okay.
It's so peaceful.
It is very.
I notice I'm so lax here. Like we were talking about that earlier. I'm just so
Relaxed.
yes.
I have no trouble going to sleep at night. None
For
whatsoever.
real.
None.
As soon as my head hit the pillow, I'm gone.
Yep.
In America, sometimes, I didn't have trouble sleeping depending on how busy my day was, but here, I'm like, before you know it, it's 12 o'clock. I'm like, oh, God, I got to go to bed. I got to get up. Yeah. The holiday turned into business, not on purpose, but I love it. I found something that I love. And something I would never, ever, ever in America have the opportunity to do. I love homes. Always did.
Mm-hmm.
So I would ride through, it's a place called Deal, New Jersey. You can Google it. Deal, New Jersey is a small population. Predominantly two Bobs, Caucasians, Jewish, whatever you want to call them.
Yeah.
Excuse me, they say they're different, but they're not Africans. I would just say that. Non-African people. And the homes are on the ocean. They're beautiful.
Yeah.
So one of the houses, you remember the movie The Hand That Rocks the Cradle?
Yes.
The glass house that in the beginning where the doctor lived in?
Wow.
Wow. It's a house. They cannot tell me that that's not that house. But so that shows you the money and stuff that's there. I will never have the opportunity to go into these homes. You know what I mean? Like, when would I go into them?
It's true.
So, but now, home. I'm living in a beautiful compound. A beautiful 3-bedroom compound. I'm gonna go home to my little 1-bedroom apartment. I'm like, oh, real bougie. You better get out.
Yeah.
Real bougie. But
Like this is too little for you.
this is too little for me. All right, where is my all this, all
Right.
that? Where's my blue light special?
Right.
But just knowing that being in Africa, like being home, we can live in Boy Nakam. Janha Nakam. Like, just being here, knowing that we can live in our dream homes, right? Even if you do lease it, okay, it's not cheap. It's not going to be cheap, but it's either the exact amount, depending on where you live, or yeah. So we can live in homes like this, here. It's beautiful. But in America, we couldn't live in homes
I
like
see
this.
one mom pass here one day, early morning. I think it's your mom.
My mom?
One mom pass here.
Mm.
In the same day.
Most of the time,
Oh,
we can't live in a home like this, in America. Okay.
there's another one?
Some of us do. Because some of y'all in America are living it up. Okay? But me, I'm just going to say me.
Oh, is she? Okay.
I can't live in a home like this in America. But coming here, we have the opportunity for the same amount of money that we pay for rent.
So next year.
It's just that most of the time it's in a lump sum. But we have the opportunity to live in our... what's your name? Ah, I'm all in their conversation. I hear Wolof. I'm like, I know what that means. But just having the opportunity to live in a beautiful home like this, and then to see, yes, we see trash. You can show that. Go ahead, show it. Yes, we see trash. That's why one of the things we were talking about, a young person here was talking about, was having a cleanup crew. And for the parents where their children are acting up, send them to us for the weekend, and we're going to go to different parts and have a cleanup crew. Because, you know, this is Africa. Someone said to me, they littered. And I said, don't litter. Don't throw that. And they was like, this is Africa. I said, no, this is Africa, right? Same words, but a different emotion behind it. Not, oh, this is Africa, just throw away our stuff. No, this is Africa. Yeah. This is Africa. This is royalty. This is where everything comes from. This is the continent that sustains all other continents. So we shouldn't litter. So if y'all want to donate something, let's donate some of those big recyclable trash cans. You know, donate that so we can clean up Africa. I used to do it in America.
Bread driver lah. He's delivering bread.
One of those. What did you say?
He's delivering breads.
That's the bread deliverer. Yeah, I stalk him every morning for bread for breakfast. I want me a scooter. But yes, you know, having an Africa cleanup crew, like, I did this in America. In America, we used to go and clean up and feed the community, so you can do it here. But yes, thanks for watching Travel with Tay Tay. We're still on our way to the compound, and I gotta go because I have a brother that's showing me the compound. We didn't stop like 30 times, and he's so patient. He's not an American, you can tell that. Because the American was like, girl, you don't bring your behind on here. He's then stopped, talked to the brother. We stopped, talked to the brother. We done stopped and looked at the compound. And he's still just strolling along because this is the Gambia. It's the Smiling Coast. Nanga. This is the Smiling Coast. I love the children. But I would love, one of the sisters I was talking to today said that she wanted to, she said something about when she had her after school program. And I was like, I said to myself when I was listening to her message, I want to open an after school program. Yeah. But I think that would be so great for the children. Mm-hmm. Well, they have somewhere to come and hang out and learn new things, right. Do their homework.
Have some computers, learn some computer skills.
Mm-hmm. And it's funny because I would think that, so in America, the thought of it was, oh, some home ec skills. So y'all know, that's how you know a car coming. They beat the horn. So y'all don't come. Yeah, so that when they come to the corner, they beat the horn. I love it. Mm-hmm. But yeah, y'all don't come over here not speaking to people. Because our brothers and our sisters speak. And if you break if you learn the basic communication of saying how you doing, Nenga def, Nakala. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let me see. Boy Nakam. I love that one. Everybody's boy Nakam. Mm-hmm. But Nakam, that's like the slang. Mm-hmm. But you should see the smile on people's faces when I try to speak the language, because it's like, it's not just coming here and just enjoying the beautiful smiling coast and the beaches and stuff, but it is learning respecting our brothers and sisters enough to try to learn the language. Because I'm telling y'all, once I speak Wola, you're going to barely hear English. I'll still speak it, but, I'm going to submerge myself into the culture, because this is what it's about. All right, y'all. I think we made it to the compound. Thanks for watching Travel with Tay Tay. My girl Lasonia made an appearance. See you next time. Please like our video. Please like my video. And my pair. Yeah, here.